Well, today I would like to show you what inside my fridge. For that, I have prepared the following dish. I hope you like it. So let's go. What is in my fridge? Hi everyone. Today I am going to tell you what's inside my fridge. I will got a lot of tomatoes, two bell peppers, many eggs, some bananas, and a few radishes. There are a bit of milk, some jam, lots of grapes, orange juice, and hamburgers, yes. A few carrots and some lettuce. Yeah. I can use these ingredients to make a quick and healthy veggie salad. I'll start with chopping some tomatoes, a few carrots, and a few radishes. Then I'll slice the two bell peppers and toast every time in a bowl. I can some lettuce for extra crunch and drizzle a bit of olive oil, yeah, for extra flavor. I'll add a spoonful, yeah, of jams as a sweet dressing, yeah. It's a quick, easy and delicious, really. Oh, well, thank you so much.